Good morning, everyone. My name is Nena Euphemia Oyine. I'm a mom YouTuber based here in Enugu State, Nigeria. I'm from Ebonyi State. I'm a housewife. I'm a mom of four adorable kids, and I'm a student of National Open University of Nigeria. Why do I choose YouTube among other social media platforms? Okay, I choose this platform because I find it more engaging, more entertaining, more comfortable for me. A safe place for me to be myself and to relate with people out there. Even though I'm a kind of an introvert by nature, I still believe I can connect with people out there as well. So that's why I choose YouTube among other platforms to be here. So people will ask, what is my channel all about? My YouTube channel is all about my lifestyle, a little bit of family, and of course, cooking. Some people will also ask, why this introduction after a year on YouTube? Yes, I choose to do this introduction now. Let me say I wasn't aware of the process when coming into YouTube. I ventured into YouTube out of my free will, out of I want to reach out to people there. So me coming to do my introduction now for my channel and for myself. Let me say I never had a mentor or a guide when I actually started my YouTube journey. So I felt that my channel is quite lacking one or two, and I decided to do the introduction. Now let me give it a fresh start. I will put it like that. Yes, I'll put it like that. Let me give my channel a fresh start and for people to know who I am and what my channel is all about. So I'm trying to start from the beginning, which is the introduction video before the vlogs that is going to come after this video, of course. Please support my channel. Please support me. Turn out for me. I need your prayers and your support for me to keep pushing and creating content here on YouTube. Please support me. I need the prayers. I need the support. Turn out for me. Please, I'm begging. Please support your girl, support the channel, and let's all be friends. I promise to make this space more entertaining and engaging. Please, if you've watched up to this point, please like the video for me, comment, drop your comment for me, share, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, besties.